Hello and welcome to the video. In this video is to announce the winner of the quadcopter that I talked about in the 95k giveaway that I did a week ago. Now loads of comments here, nearly 1250, so let's put all the details into the random comment picker. Click load up. Let's get rid of all the duplicate entries as well, and then we'll hit the start button. Thanks to everyone that got involved with the spirit of this giveaway, left a like and a nice comment too. And the winner of the quadcopter is Fish MJH. Fish MJH, congratulations, you are the winner. Could you send me your address details on YouTube using that same YouTube account so I know it's you? Because believe it or not, I've had people emailing me and messaging me out the blue pretending to be the winner in the past. But Fish MJH, send me all those details and I'll get this quadcopter out to you. Commiserations to everybody else who didn't win the quadcopter, but stay tuned to the channel because as we pass other milestones, there will be other kit being given away too. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.